Let's introduce the flowmeter head replacement, the parameters to be set. Press the first and fourth keys together. Password enter 300,000 to confirm. First modify the flowmeter diameter. For example, it turned out to be 100 pipe diameter. Then modify the range according to the size of the original meter. And modify the flow coefficient according to the original flow meter. Just set these three parameters. After the setting is completed, press the first key and the fourth key to exit at the same time. Complete the modification.